Hello, my name is swissbianco. In this video I will talk about two ganzo knives. The model in my hand is the g739. This one is the version in the orange G10 with the black coated blade and clip. And then we have the same knife, the model G739 in a stone washed blade with a black G10. The knives are both the same, just the color looks different, and you get those knives in even more different colors. There is one that they also make in carbon fiber, and that's going to be the next one quite likely that I try out. As we look at the orange variation, we have axis lock, we have a G10 that is grooved. The orange variation, we see those grooves pretty well. The liners, the stainless steel liners, are black coated too. We see some of the spacers and the standoff point pin there, and axis lock they left in a stainless steel finish for whatever reason. They did that. And then we have the pocket clip in a black color too. The blade is full flat ground 440C stainless steel in a black coating. They could have round off the edges a bit more, but it's not absolute bad. I had badder knives. The knives use a axis lock that you can basically from both sides use. The quality is really good for the price range. Of course, those are clones of the Benchmade Griptilian, an older design that was around for quite so many years in different variations and configurations. So the stone washed version would be the better one for everyday carry, because the black finish quite likely gonna wear off. The stone wash finish, we see it has some slight scratches from the stone washing process, is way better for that purpose. The scales you get in different colors too, if you want to have that in orange or in a green or something, or as mentioned in the carbon fiber but flat and not stone wash and not grooved, then you can get that as well. They play a lot with the colors and the finishes, so that is possible as well. On that version, what I don't like is the shiny pocket clip. That could be minimum. The pocket clip could be in a blasted or in a minimum in a stone washed finish as well. That is too shiny for be tactical or a bit more decent, not standing out too much. That just screams here comes a knife. That would be nice if they finally would make that a bit in a more matte color. Other than that, the knives come in a regular box from Ganzo. I did not drag it out. It's always the same little box with a little bag where they are in it. Nothing special there at all, and no paperwork, no nothing. What you need to check is the screws. Some of the screws, it matters and it varies of the screws that they use. Sometimes they use the Loctite, sometimes not. So if you wanna everyday carry it, I would check minimum the pocket clip screws and the main privet screws if they have a bit Loctite on it, and all the other screws that they are tight. Some of them are not 100% tight. From the factory, we need to see that is a rather low price item here. Something not or less for collection, but simply for using up every day, and then you get a new one. Price range is about $16-17 shipped from China. Here in the USA we don't have to pay taxes. That just comes directly to your door and with the mailman and finish. So that much about two ganzo knives.